Today we're making my favorite go-to croissants. Soft, flaky, and incredibly delicious. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add flour, pinch of salt, a bit of sugar, and a couple of tablespoons of oil. Now I mix warm water and milk. Add fresh yeast and just a spoonful of flour to activate it. Whisk gently and pour into the bowl with the flour mixture. Add eggs. I add 1 whole egg and 1 egg white. Time to knead. It takes about 10 minutes by hand or 7 minutes in a stand mixer. I stretch, slap, and knead the dough until it's soft, smooth, and no longer sticky. Cover and let it rest for about an hour until doubled in size. Now divide the dough into 16 pieces and roll each one into a thin circle. Just like this. Fun part. Here is where the layering begins. I usually use soft, spreadable butter between each circle, but today I accidentally melted my butter. Even though I couldn't spread it properly, I still went ahead, and honestly, the result was amazing. You won't get as many air pockets inside, but the flavor and the texture are still wonderful. Stack all the circles, roll them into one big round about 1 centimeter thick. Then cut into 16 triangles and roll them up gently into croissants. Place them on a baking tray, no parchment needed, and let them rest for 15 minutes. Brush with the reserved egg yolk mixed with a splash of milk. Bake in a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 22 to 24 minutes or until golden and flaky. They're incredible. They smell amazing. And look at those beautiful layers. Even without the perfect lamination, these croissants turned out soft, buttery, and so satisfying. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy baking!